Ayan, binibidyo ko. Elobel. Do you know why we have a 5 fingers? Do you wanna know? Open your fingers. Open your fingers. That's the pinky. That's the one. Put your another hand on your pinky. No, use your another hand. Hold the finger. Yan. Yan. Ituro mo yan. 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 Huwag mong alisin, ha? Ang pinky, the definition, the meaning of pinky, when you are newly born, they call you a baby. Right? They give you a name, Elobel. But because you are not talking yet, we keep calling you baby, baby, right? Okay, now go to the next finger. To the next, yeah, you know what is that finger meaning? Now you grown up. You learn how to eat. You learn how to talk da, 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 ma, 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 right? Right? And they will call you now Elobel. Okay. The pinky is baby and the one Elobel. Now you grown up. You become like a 17-year-old, 16-year-old until you are graduate in college. Okay. Now you going to get married. Go to the next finger. Now they don't call you anymore baby in the pinky, the second one, Elobel. And now the third finger, they call you wife. You are the wife. Kasi you get married, right? Right? Okay. Now, because you get married, you get a kids, you have a children. Now go to the fourth finger. Show me the fourth finger. They will call you no more baby, second finger, Elobel, third finger, wife. They will call you on the fourth finger, mommy. You are a mommy, right? Because you got kids, right? Okay. Now you go to the five finger. Now they will not call you their mommy. They will call you grandma because your children, they married, you got grandchildren. Now they call you grandma, right? Again, repeat the pinky. That's the pinky. Open. The pinky, they call you baby because you don't talk yet. But God give you a name, Elobel. Second finger. Now you grown up until you get married, right? And they will call you now Elobel because you, Elobel your name because you are talking da 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 ma 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 until you grow up, right? And then you get married, third finger. Third, they call you husband and wife. You are the wife, right? And then because you are husband and wife, you got children, go to the fourth finger. They will not call you now baby, Elobel, and wife. They will call you mommy because you got children, right? And then move to the five finger. Your children got married, like Mama Rosie. And then your mommy got baby. You are the baby. They call grandma. They call the five finger grandma. Did you like what the meaning of the five finger? Okay, another finger. You have another finger, right? Okay, show the pink one, the pinky. Now this time they call you Elobel, right? You are a baby, but they will call you Elobel, baby, right? Elobel. And now go to the second finger. Because you are no longer a baby, you go to school, kindergarten, right? Kindergarten, and you're gonna write your name Elobel, and you're gonna put the last name of Gopez and Candano, the last name of your mommy and the last name of your daddy. So you got to write those three words, and when you are kindergarten, right? Elobel, Gopez, Candano, right? So you're changing. Oh, now go to the third finger. And now you're gonna get married, right? And the last name of your husband will be Gonzales. Now you take away Gopez and Candano because you still use the Elobel. You're gonna follow the last name of your husband, Elobel Gonzales. That's the last name of your husband, right? Right? And now you go to the next finger. The one you married, Gonzales, he died. He died, so you married another one, right? And the one you married another one, David is last name. So your name, you're gonna change it to Elobel David, right? So you keep changing your name, right? Right? And then you go to the 5 fingers. And now on the 5 fingers, you are grandma. You died. And you don't use the Gonzales, David. You don't use no more Gopes, Candano. You are Elobel only. No more last name of your husband. They died, right? Okay, now you died also. And you go up to heaven. And you see God. God will not call your name Elobel. You know why? Because you're gonna ask God, what God will I tell? What is your name? What is your name? God said, Elobel Gopes Candano, Elobel Gonzales, Elobel David. Too many last name, right? No. Not even your name. You will not use your name. There is no name in heaven. He called you an angel. Right? You will not use Elobel. And then the 5 fingers, when you died, your grandma, you see God. And God, you know how He gonna call you? God said, I am the shepherd. Okay, when the goat, you know the goat, they sound like this, meh, meh, right? Okay, when you died in heaven, God said, He only hear your voice. He knows you already, you are Elobel. It makes sense? When like, meh, oh, that's Elobel. Meh, oh, that's Elise. Meh, oh, that is Rosel. Meh, that is Gabriela. So by your voice, God recognized your voice because God said, I am the shepherd. Shepherd means you manage the the animal. The shepherd, if you have a goat, a lot of goat, and you are the one taking care of the goat, we call that shepherd, right? So by your voice, meh, ay, that's my Elobel. Jesus said, He will never use your name, Elobel Gopes Candano, and then you married Elobel Gonzales. He will never use none of those. You just listen to your voice. He knows who you are. That makes sense? The 5 finger. Now, the 5 finger, when God use your voice. For example, in your home, you have a telephone. Somebody call your phone. Daddy called by phone. He call you. Elobel. When Daddy ring the phone, you answer the phone, Elobel. Do you know whose voice is that? That's your daddy, right? Grandma Rosa said, who called? What did you say? Daddy. Daddy. Okay. You don't have a voice. Volume. Yeah. When daddy call you by phone, do you ask the name of your daddy? No. You recognize the voice who called your daddy, right? Okay. When Grandma Rosie said, Elobel, who called? My dad, you said, right? Right? Why do you know it is your dad? Because you recognize the voice, right? The same God. He will not ask your name of the 5 fingers. He will only hear your voice. He knows that you are Elobel, right? When Grandma Rosie said, Elobel, somebody call. Who called? My dad. How do you know it's your dad? Did you ask his name? No, I don't need to ask the name of my dad. I know his voice, right? That's the same God. He knows your voice. You believe? And then Grandma Rosie call you. Hello, what is your name? You will not ask, what is your name? You know already by the voices, Grandma Rosie, right? Yes. Now you completely understand the 10 fingers, right? Okay, bye-bye.